the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, has sanctioned 7 new projects to bolster India's self-reliance in defense technology through the Technology Development Fund, TDF, scheme. This move is part of a broader effort to foster innovation and technological development within the country, especially among micro, small, and medium enterprises, MSMEs, and startups, which are critical components of the defense and aerospace sectors. The projects are designed to leverage the agility and innovative capabilities of smaller enterprises to benefit the defense sector. One project, awarded to Oxygen to Innovation Private Limited, is focused on developing an indigenous scenario and sensor simulation toolkit to enhance pilot training and operational readiness through realistic simulation scenarios. Sagar Defense Engineering Private Limited is tasked with creating an underwater-launched unmanned aerial vehicle for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and maritime domain awareness, aiming to transform marine battlefield capabilities. IROV Technologies Private Limited is developing long-range remotely operated vehicles for underwater security, capable of detecting and neutralizing underwater threats, enhancing safety and operational efficiency. Craft Logic Labs Private Limited is working on a noise detection sensor for aircraft to improve flight safety and performance in adverse weather by activating anti-icing mechanisms. Data Pattern India Limited is designing a radar signal processor with an active antenna array simulator for testing and evaluating short-range aerial weapon systems, contributing to the foundation of larger radar systems. Accord Software Systems Private Limited is developing an Indian regional navigation satellite system-based timing acquisition dissemination system to create a customized timing system using indigenous satellite technology, promoting self-reliance in satellite navigation. Finally, Aloha Tech Private Limited is researching graphene-based smart and e-textiles for multifunctional wearable applications, which could integrate advanced materials into practical clothing for defense use. These projects are expected to not only strengthen India's military-industrial base but also to promote indigenous technologies and capabilities within the defense sector, aligning with the DRDO's mission to achieve Atma Nirbhar or self-reliance in defense technology.